Hey everyone, the Globe guys are here in Hong Kong for a flying visit.
So we got here last night very late. We've got literally just one day to go and explore.
So we've been to Hong Kong twice before, and both times when we've gone to Victoria Peak, which Victoria Peak is where you can go up and see the skyline of the city, it's been cloudy and misty. So will it be third time lucky? Stay with us and let's find out.
So in true Gold Rights fashion, we're not taking the simple route to get to Victoria Peak, so we could just get a taxi, but no, because Ryan enjoys his little kind of underground and transport things, so we're getting the underground, or the MTR, to Central, and then we're going to get a taxi up to Victoria Peak, okay? So we're here in the underground station in Mongkok, and it's getting busy, and we're just waiting for a train, 2 minutes time.
So we just got the Uber up from the centre of Hong Kong Island, and it's a little bit of a reception centre here at Victoria Peak. We're going to walk a little bit further around, and hopefully we're going to get some good views of the city.
I'm not worried, I'm confident, I'm thinking positive. We are going to see Hong Kong Harbour from Victoria Peak. Well, I've seen it, haven't I, actually? It's you hasn't seen it yet, but...
Well, yeah,
you know,
so I've been to Hong Kong twice before. Ivan's been here 3 times before, so he's been here once before without me. And I think you had better weather then, didn't you?
Yeah, I know. The ironic thing was, this morning when we got up, it was lovely and kind of very clear. It has gone more hazy, but it's still not an issue.
Ivan's favourite word is ironic, and he very rarely uses it in context.
It's really nice and peaceful. So we've been walking, I don't know, 15-20 minutes so far, and we've got found this little park really. You know, you've got kind of pagoda there, and you can just imagine just people just sitting there chilling and just passing.
Is that a pagoda, is it?
Not a pagoda, but I don't know what the name of the technical term is.
This looks like a park shelter.
But it's a very nice little area. Very nice and chilled.
Yeah. Who'd have thought that just a couple of miles away is the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong Island?
No, very true. Seriously, yeah.
We're getting there, it's exciting. Almost there. And here we are, Lugard Road Lookout. That's easy for me to say. So we're here, we've got some great views of the city. It's not quite as clear as what we were hoping for, but it's 100% clearer than what we had last time we were here, so we can actually see the buildings, and it's great.
And you get a sense of how high up we are, because it's like a toy town down there. I mean, you see how there's buildings, they're minute compared to where we are. That gives you a sense of how high up we are.
And they're actually skyscrapers as well.
Exactly, yeah, they're not small buildings, so it is amazing, isn't it?
Anyway, take just a minute just to admire this great view. see the skyline from the peak.
It was really good. And now we're back at ground level. And why are we stood in this spot, Ryan?
We're stood in this spot because, well, we've always got to get a Hong Kong tram in the background, but also just on the way up to the peak a little bit earlier on this afternoon, this area was full of protesters.
Yeah, it was. So they stopped all the trams, didn't they?
Yeah.
And we drove through it in a taxi or in an Uber. And yeah, so.
Now we're going back over to Kowloon, and this time, rather than doing the metro, we're going to be on the Star Ferry. So we're going to get some great views of the harbour as we head across.
Hey everyone, so we hope you've enjoyed that vlog about our time here today in Hong Kong. So we wanted to do, the one thing we wanted to do, because we've been here 3 times now and we've never really got to see Hong Kong from Victoria Peak, which is right up there, but today we did.
Yep, it was clear, so third time lucky on this occasion. And if you want to see more about Hong Kong, we have been here, as I've said a couple of times before, and we did do a video a couple of years ago of our time on that trip, so why not take a look at that video, because also on that video is included is us stood here watching the Symphony of Lights, which is a light show that happens every night. I think it's 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening, and literally all the buildings light up and there's a big massive light show, and that's included on the video as well, and it is a really good thing to see.
Yeah, it is.
But we can't do that tonight because we're off to catch a flight.
We are going to get a flight.
We're heading back home to the UK. But remember, you can subscribe to us. You get all the footage and all the videos that we put on YouTube. So if you're watching us on YouTube, subscribe to us if you can.
Yeah, and hit that bell to get the notifications so that when we do drop new videos, you're the first to know. Also, like us on Facebook and check out our website, which is
www.theglobeguys.com. But from Hong Kong Harbour, thanks for watching, and we'll see you
later.
time.
Bye bye.